When there is no audio coming from your computer, the device manager may throw an error code 52 and alert you that there is no audio device installed. Now, to know more about fixing this error, make sure to keep watching on this video. Firstly, run the audio in hardware troubleshooters. Do it by going to Settings, select System, click on Troubleshoot, go to Other Troubleshooters, run the Playing Audio troubleshooter, restart your computer, and then check for the results. Next, try unplugging all the peripherals and turn off your computer while also unplugging the power adapter and then leaving it for a minute. Then, turn on your device and check if this method got the sound back. And lastly, update your drivers by launching the device manager, expand the audio inputs and output section, then right-click on your audio driver, select Update Device, and then select the option that lets you check for the updates automatically. Now those are the different fixes in this audio driver error code 52 on your computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.